Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Now, today's session is going to be on typography. Now, typography is your style, is a style or appearance of a text. It could also be defined as the act of working with a text. Typography can be intimidating, can be an intimidating subject to talk about. Well, it shouldn't be, because you need just a little knowledge to create and design amazing arts with the things you do. Now, common types of fonts and what you need to know about them. The serif fonts. These have little strokes of serif attached to the edges of the text or letter, and because of their classic looks, they're usually good for traditional projects and are mostly found in newspapers and magazines. Now, second type, the sans serif. They do not have the extra stroke, hence the name sans serif. This font is considered clean and modern, and it tends to be easier to read on computer screens, mobile and tablets. The display fonts. These come in many different styles like scripts, all caps, black letter and fancy fonts. Because of their decorative nature, they are best for small amount of text, titles and headers. Beyond all this, every font has something to say. They can appear as modern, casual, graphic, or neutral. That's why it's important to think of your message and choose a font that best describes your needs. Some fonts come with extra baggage, like the Comics and Kelly, but they seem outmoded now. However, there are lots and lots of fonts that look like them. So when tempted to go with such, you could consider to go a little modern with your choice of fonts. Few is much. The fewer fonts you use, the easier and better your design would be. It is better to consider sticking with 2 fonts for any particular design unless you are actually looking for a more dramatic design. You could alternate between the sizes of a font, the regular, bold, narrow, or black. Some have light also. That is if you'd want to add more contrast to your work. Just as the traditional saying, opposites attract. It's true, and it works same with this also. Combining the bold with light could sometimes do the magic. The truth is, the two are indeed different in style, but they strongly complement each other. Like sans serif with serif, short with tall, bold with light, and decorative with small. Hey, this could be very challenging at first, but don't be shy to look to other designs for inspirations. All it takes is an interesting typography, and you will begin to see more clearly and easily. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the typography lessons today. Please subscribe if you have not done that yet, and check out my previous videos.